What's up guys, welcome back to KL Honest Guide. My name is Razif and today is going to be episode 2 of the Malaysian Train System. Today I'm going to focus on the MRT-1 Kajang line and I'm going to show you how many shopping malls and stores this MRT-1 Kajang line is going to pass by. This video is going to be shot using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the Fayutex Corp Mini Gimbal and also the Apexel Telelens. Let's go! So guys, that's it for today's episode. Hopefully all the information here really helps you on the MRT-1 line, the Kajang line. If you have any questions regarding on the Malaysian train system, please write it down in the comment section below. I will answer as fast as possible. All the equipments used for this video, I'll put it in the description below. I will see you in the next episode on the next train line. This is KL Honest Guide. My name is Razif. Stay curious, my friends.